we are back from our 3-week trip in England, and we got back yesterday afternoon. We are in the process of unloading the car. Here is some of the stuff that we brought down yesterday. I haven't unpacked any of it yet, and we're gonna have to go up and do another trip to bring stuff down probably in the next hour or so. Also, I ordered a new mattress online while we were away because there was a New Year's sale going on, and that's arrived too, so we've got to get a new mattress down to the house. Thought I would do a video to show you what we brought back from England, because I know on my Instagram stories, I'm just looking at that cat. What are you doing? You are enormous, aren't you? You have got the biggest tummy. I know what I was saying. I was saying I've had quite a few comments on Instagram just showing interest in what I brought back. People who also live in other places in keeping a list of what I brought back because it might help them. And I think people are just curious. So I thought I would unpack everything with you and show you. I mean, that might be a really boring video, and there's a lot of the stuff I'm bringing back is really random. But yeah, I'm going to do that. So if you're interested, keep watching. The garden is looking very bare, but the sun is shining today. It was just starting to rain when we got back last night. And Carlo is already fiddling in the garden. Our bougainvillea is looking a little bit sorry for itself. Needs some water probably. People have asked about the cats while we were away. We actually had house sitters come and stay for 3 weeks, so they looked after the cats, they looked after the house, kept everything clean, and it was really good. Only thing is, they have put all the cushions and blankets in the completely wrong places, so that needs to be sorted out right now. Found a coin, good luck. That's not right either. The brown must be hidden. See how ecstatically happy Lily is for us to be back. You are, aren't you? You're so excited. Let's get a start on this. Let me warn you, there is a lot of chocolate in here. A lot of chocolate because Carlo has bought a lot to give to his family and friends and stuff, and also because Galaxy chocolate and Cadbury's chocolate you can't get in Italy, so we're stocking up for the near future. And in bag number 1, we have, so random, 4 hand soaps. These are Baylis and Harding. They were way cheaper, I suppose, and they're nice looking, nice to have in the bathrooms. I always pick up a giant shampoo and conditioner in Costco. This is 3M. It's absolutely fine. I just stopped that cat from eating. No, you're enormous. Get out. Show everybody how big your tummy is. Look at the size of this cat. Look at the size of that tummy. He has eaten a cow since we've been away. He's about double the size, aren't you? You're very fluffy. Now, I probably didn't need to buy these. I could have got these here, but I was in Costco. Kilo of apricots and a kilo of pumpkin seeds. I can get pumpkin seeds here, but they come in tiny little 100-gram packs, and they're about €3, so that was much better value. And a kilo of coconut sugar, which again I can get here, but comes in very small packets. So I use quite a lot of that when I make my banana bread. And finally a kilo, is it a kilo? Yeah, almost a kilo of pecan nuts, which you cannot get in Italy anywhere. Well, not in this part of Italy. I might be wrong, you can maybe get them up north, but you can't get them here. So that's one bag done. Bag number 2. Now I'm gonna forget how many bags at some point. Not much in here. So again at Costco, just because they're yummy, some granola bars, big packet. Can't get many granola bars in this part of Italy, and they're pretty expensive. You get like 3 in a pack, and they're like, I don't know, they're expensive. A packet of these fruit and nut bars, which I really like, Eat Natural. I use them when I go out hiking. I take one or 2 with me. Big box of medjool dates, another thing that you can't really get here. I could probably pick this up in Naples in one of the Asian supermarkets, but it's just easier bringing it back in the car. What else have I got in here? So I've got, these are just convenience foods when I haven't got time to cook. So I've got some Jamie Oliver lovely lentils and punchy jerk rice. It's all stuff that I could make myself, but when I haven't got time, it's nice to just have it ready and just put it in a pan and warm it up. Freekeh, we tried this the other day. Really liked it. More lentils ready cooked, because of course we can get lentils here, but you have to sort of soak them for ages or cook them for ages. So sometimes it's nice to just have some lentils, and lentils. And I've also got some, of course I can get this here, but I've got the English one, some oxo cubes, vegetable and chicken. So the larder is going to get very full very quickly because it is already pretty full in here. I might have to do a bit of reorganising just to fit everything in. Bag number 3. Any English people are going to laugh at this. Americans probably won't know what these things are. I have got a packet of pubs. I used to eat these when I was about 6 years old. These were like a school break treat. And a packet of Pick Up a Penguins. These are very similar to Australian Tim Tam bars. They're chocolatey biscuits with a chocolate filling and chocolate coating. Yummy. I've got, now I used to be able to get this here, but they've stopped selling it. The pre-cooked baguettes that you then stick in the oven for about 15 minutes and then you get a fresh hot baguette. I saw them in Costco and just thought I'd grab some because I can't get them anymore. The supermarket that used to stock them doesn't sell them anymore. So I just thought I'd have a few of them for a while because they're handy when you haven't got any fresh bread. Where on earth am I going to put them? Now, here we're coming towards the chocolate bits now. So most of these are Carlo's. He's either going to keep some of them or he's going to give them away. So we've got some mint matchmakers. These are just like mint chocolate sticks. There's a packet of milk white and dark chocolate biscuit assortment. Oh, this was Carlo's Christmas present from Sky. Some Rituals Samurai shower gel. It's the foaming gel that goes all foamy on you. Really nice. 2 boxes of Cadbury's Heroes, which are little mini chocolates from all the Cadbury's range. And 2 boxes of Quality Street, which are traditional English mixed candies, sweets. So those are all going to friends and family. Of course, there's a heavy one. Right, so in here we have got more chocolates, lots more chocolates. Little box of chocolates here from the House of Chocolat. This is from my dad to Carlo's parents. Oh, they've all fallen out. There's a box of Galaxy Christmas collection. It was a present to me from Sky. They've all fallen out of the box, but they're fine. Two giant, I think there's 4 bars in each box, giant Cadbury's things. That will probably keep us going for a good few months. Or I could just hide it in my underwear drawer and eat it all myself and nobody would ever know. In here we also have a random Terry's chocolate orange. If you've never had one of these before, it's an orange. It's a circle, and you take the segments, you open it up, and it's all segments, and it's orange chocolate. Really yummy. These, Carlo loves these. These are grenadine syrup. So you put a little bit in a glass of water, and then fill it up with water, and you get a fruits of the forest flavoured drink. And Carlo loves this one. And I know he's bought some for his son as well. There is another giant box of biscuits in here that will be given to somebody. Probably about half a packet left of chamomile and spearmint tea bags. More tea. Twinings green and black tea. This is a mix of green tea and black tea, and I actually really like that. And also this new one which has come out, which is PG Tips, perfect with dairy free. Because sometimes when you make a cup of tea with dairy free milk, it looks like it's curdling. It tastes fine, but it looks weird. So I think they've solved that by God knows what they've done to change the tea, but that's that. And then I have some random bottles of makeup brush cleanser, which have been in England for ages and I've been trying to get them back. Some spray olive oil, which sometimes it's just handy to be able to spray it on, and can't get that here, so I brought a couple of that with me. Memory card for my camera. A microwave tray for microwaving bacon, very random, my dad gave me that. 2 candles, tobacco and patchouli, that's a 3-wick candle. I can't remember who gave me that. I think that's from Sky. Yeah, that was from Sky. And then this one, which is Parks of London Aromatherapy, lemongrass and mint. That one's from my dad, so some proper smelly candles. And that's that in that bag. These Galaxy chocolates are going in my underwear drawer, so please don't tell anybody in my family. If you do follow me on Instagram, you'll be aware that at some point this summer I ran out of tea bags, and it was a bit of a disaster because, like most people, are desperate for coffee in the morning. I love my tea, and the Twinings English breakfast tea doesn't quite cut it for me. I need something a bit more, with a bit more oomph. So in Costco, I picked up this, which is a giant bag of 1,100 Thai food tea bags. We are going up. Wait, my phone. No, I've got it. Got it. I've got it. Yes. We're going up to the car to get other stuff to bring down, and Tommaso is going to help as well. So we've got an extra pair of hands, which is brilliant. How excited? Bye. So our mattress is in this box here. I'm sure Carlo can get that on his shoulder quite easily. And just to prove that I am back in Positano, here we go. View from just below the car park. Very pretty skies today.
Bene, bene, mi fa piacere che stai bene pure tu.
Sto qua fino a Roma. Allora, Tommaso, prima cosa.
Si è fatto grosso, Tommaso, guarda che bello giorno, lavori in palazzo, lo sai?
Faccio tanto.
Ogni tanto.
Some of this stuff Tommaso's got to take home with him to his house, so we don't even have to take it all home.
Uno di questi?
Biscotto. La granatina. Buona.
This whole bag is full of sweets that he's going to give out to various people. It's absolutely packed full of eclairs and Murray mints and peppermint creams and jelly babies. And just as we were leaving, Carlo was admiring the parking skills of this white van that has a ton of space behind it, but it's decided to park that close to our car. And off he goes. Change of plan. It was too much for him. His legs were trembling, so Tommaso's carrying all the heavy things down. Lo posso portare io quello piccolino se vuoi, Tommy. So here's a few more things that we brought from England. This is the last of the stuff out of the car. A box full of my dad's homemade jams. This was actually a present for Carlo for Christmas from my dad. It was all wrapped up in Christmas paper, and Carlo was very, very happy with it. Cookies, jaffa cakes, hobnobs, big bag of porridge, because obviously porridge for breakfast. This costs £1.60. And you can get about a tiny little pot in Italy, which is about €6, so it's definitely worth buying that. Carlo has bought some orange and mango squash and some peach and raspberry squash. So those his, I don't really drink them. Random giraffe head, which is going to go on the wall somewhere. I just thought it was quite sweet. And you could actually put a plant in it and grow hair out of it. Dog food. We have broken 5 out of 6 of our pasta plates now, so we've only got 1 left. So I actually bought some Cornish ware. I bought some Cornish mugs. I think I only bought 4 because I knew we had 2 at home, but our house sister has just gone and broken another 1, so I might have to get some more of these, but I think we're nearly done. Random bottle of maple syrup, 6 cans of coconut milk, because coconut milk is like gold dust in Italy. It costs the earth. And here I have some posters, which we bought in St. Ives. That's what we bought in England. I'm going to put all this stuff away now and hopefully get this mattress out. Okay. Yeah. You are very lucky. You have not broken my camera by knocking it down the stairs.
Nice. Sono sollevato.
I'm relieved.
Sorry.
Okay. we just need to leave the mattress to breathe and fully expand for a while. So I'm gonna go downstairs and have a cup of tea. This video was about unpacking the car and what we brought from England, and I've done that. So I'm gonna say goodbye, and I hope you enjoyed it. It was a bit of a random one. I hope to see you next time.